Respiration is a amphibolic pathway. Why it is amphibolic pathway? Respiration is a amphibolic pathway. Why it is amphibolic pathway? Because here both catabolism and anabolism is taking place. Catabolism. In previous sections we discussed about catabolism, means breaking down of glucose into two molecules of pyruvic acid and converting of, it is known as, it is a EMP reactions. EMP cycle means EMP cycle means glycolysis, which is taking place in the cytoplasm. Location is important. One question from one neat question it is. Glucose to pyruvic acid, taking conversion of glucose to pyruvic acid, 2 mole of pyruvic acid taking place in cytoplasm. Okay. Pyruvic acid is again converted to acetyl coenzyme. It is link reaction occurring in a mitochondrial matrix. Okay. Next, Krebs cycle. It is also occurring in a mitochondrial matrix. Now let us discuss how respiration is an amphibolic pathway. We learned about basic steps. Glucose is converted into 2 molecule of pyruvic acid, 2 molecule of pyruvic acid into 2 acetyl coenzyme A, this Krebs cycle, and then ETS. Okay. Now let us see fats here directly, macromolecules does not undergo directly into catabolism. They will be converted into simple monomeric units. We know that fats are made up of fatty acid and glycerol. We learn it in the biomolecule chapter. We got fats are composed of fatty acids and glycerol. Okay. Next, carbohydrates are composed of simple sugars. Okay. Next, proteins. Proteins are made of several amino acid linked through a peptide bond. Okay. Now see, fats are broken down to fatty acid and glycerol. Okay. Now how to remember that which step fatty acid is involved in the metabolic pathway? Now the fatty acid, the letter between F and T indicating the letter A. A means acetyl coenzyme, means fatty acid enter the catabolism pathway at acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, it's completed. Glycerol, G indicating that should be enter in a dihydroxy. C. Glycerol means trihydroxypropane. Yes, hydroxy. Dihydroxy. It is trihydroxy. It is dihydroxy. It is also important with glycerol is a trihydroxy containing group. Okay. So glycerol enter glycolysis metabolism reaction in the step dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Now let's just discuss about protein. Proteins are composed of several amino acids. See, here the word protein, P indicating that the protein should enter the metabolism pathway at pyruvic acid. Okay. Now respiratory quotient. How to remember respiratory quotient? If you see the basic reaction for the respiration, we see that glucose is combined with oxygen, liberating CO2 plus H2O. So what is released? CO2. See, what is released? CO2 is released by O2.